Hey everyone, it's your friend Baconvation here, and today we're diving into the awesome world of Roblox. If you haven't heard of Roblox before, it's an incredible platform where creativity and fun come together in the most amazing ways. Roblox is like a giant online playground where you can play millions of games made by other players. Imagine a place where every game you play is unique and crafted by someone just like you. But here's the even cooler part. You can also create your own games on Roblox. That's right. You don't just have to be a player, you can be a creator too. That's where Roblox Studio comes in. Roblox Studio is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to bring your game ideas to life. It's like a digital toolbox where you can build anything you can imagine. Whether you're into designing intricate worlds or creating simple, fun games, Roblox Studio has got you covered. You can make obstacle courses, role-playing games, racing games, or even something completely out of the box. The only limit is your imagination, or anything else you can dream up. The process of creating a game can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. You can start with basic tutorials and gradually move on to more advanced features. Roblox Studio is free to use and it's super fun to learn. You can download it easily and start experimenting right away. The community is also very supportive, with tons of resources and tutorials available to help you out. So, are you ready to become a Roblox game developer? Let's jump right in. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, there's always something new to learn and create in Roblox. So, grab your ideas, fire up Roblox Studio, and let's make something amazing together. Making your own Roblox game is like building your own amusement park. You get to decide what it looks like, what challenges players face, and how much fun they have. You can let your imagination run wild and create something totally unique. Plus, you can share your game with your friends and millions of other players around the world. But it's not just about fun and games, even though that's a big part of it. Learning to create Roblox games also teaches you valuable skills like problem solving, creativity, and even some basic coding. Alright, let's fire up Roblox Studio and start building. When you open Roblox Studio, you'll see a bunch of options. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. First, click on New to start a brand new game project. You'll see a bunch of templates to choose from. These templates are like pre-built starting points for your game. You can pick one that looks interesting or just start with a blank baseplate template. For now, let's go with the baseplate so we can build everything from scratch. Click on baseplate and then click create. Boom! You've got your very own Roblox game project ready to go. Now comes the fun part, adding stuff to your game. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the toolbox. This is where you'll find all sorts of cool objects to add to your game. You can add blocks, trees, buildings, vehicles, and even crazy things like giant robots or flying unicorns. Just click and drag an object from the toolbox into your game world. Once you've added an object, you can resize it, rotate it, and move it around however you want. You can even change its color and material to make it look exactly how you want. Section 5. Bringing your game to life, basic scripting. Okay, so you've built an awesome world, but it's a little quiet in there, don't you think? Imagine walking through a beautifully designed city with no cars, no people, and no sounds. It feels a bit lifeless, right? That's where scripting comes in. Scripting breathes life into your game by adding interactivity and dynamic elements. Let's add some action with scripting. Scripting allows you to create behaviors and responses in your game world. Whether it's making a door open when a player approaches, or having a character jump when a button is pressed, scripting is the key to making your game engaging and fun. Scripting is like writing instructions for your game. Think of it as giving your game a set of rules to follow. These rules can be as simple or as complex as you want. For instance, you can write a script to change the color of an object when it's clicked, or you can create an entire quest system with multiple objectives and rewards. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Even if you've never written a line of code before, Roblox Studio makes it easy to get started. The scripting interface is user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources available to help you learn. Plus, the satisfaction of seeing your code come to life in the game is incredibly rewarding. Roblox uses a language called Lua, which is pretty easy to learn. Lua is a lightweight, high-level programming language designed for embedded use in applications. It's known for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a great choice for beginners. With Lua, you can start writing scripts that control game mechanics, create animations, and much more. To start scripting, click on an object in your game world. This could be anything from a character to a piece of scenery. Once you've selected an object, you'll see its properties displayed in the Properties window. This is where you can add scripts to control the object's behavior. Then, in the Properties window, click on the Scripts tab. This will open the script editor where you can start writing your code. The script editor is a powerful tool that provides syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging features to help you write and test your scripts. Now you can start writing your script. Begin with something simple, like printing a message to the console when the game starts. As you become more comfortable with Lua, you can create more complex scripts that add depth and interactivity to your game. For example, you can write a simple script to make an object move when you press a key on your keyboard. This is a great way to learn the basics of scripting and see immediate results in your game. As you experiment and practice, you'll discover the endless possibilities that scripting offers for bringing your game to life. Section 6. Test and play, making sure it works. Now that you've added some objects and scripts, it's time to see your game in action. To test your game, click the big play button at the top of the screen. This will launch your game in a new window. Run around, jump, interact with objects, and see if everything works the way you want it to. If something's not working right, don't worry. Just stop the game, go back to Roblox Studio, and make some changes. Testing is a super important part of game development. It helps you find and fix any problems so your game is fun and playable. Section 7. Sharing your creation, publishing your game. Once you're happy with how your game is working, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the File menu at the top of the screen and select Publish to Roblox. You'll need to give your game a name and a description. You can even upload a thumbnail image to make your game look extra awesome in the Roblox game library. Once you've filled out all the info, click Publish and boom! Your game is now live on Roblox for everyone to play. Section 8. Tips and tricks for awesome games. Here are a few bonus tips to make your Roblox games even more awesome. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these tips can help you elevate your game development skills to the next level. Start simple. Don't try to build the most complex game ever on your first try. It's easy to get overwhelmed if you aim too high initially. Instead, focus on mastering the basics. Start with a simple idea and add more features as you go. This approach allows you to learn and grow without feeling frustrated. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually introduce more complex elements. Get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Creativity is the heart of game development. The more creative you are, the more unique and fun your game will be. Think outside the box and come up with ideas that set your game apart from others. Learn from others. There are tons of amazing Roblox developers out there. The Roblox community is vast and full of talented individuals who are willing to share their knowledge. Check out their games, watch tutorials, and learn from the best. By studying successful games, you can gain insights into what works and what doesn't. Have fun. Remember, making games is all about having fun. If you're not enjoying the process, it will show in your work. So relax, experiment, and enjoy the process. The journey of creating a game can be just as rewarding as the final product. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress along the way. Collaborate with others. Working with friends or other developers can bring new perspectives and ideas to your game. Collaboration can also make the development process more enjoyable and less isolating. Plan ahead. Before diving into development, take some time to plan out your game. Outline the main features, gameplay mechanics, and story elements. Having a clear plan can save you time and help you stay focused. Test frequently. Regularly testing your game during development can help you catch and fix issues early. It also allows you to see how your game is shaping up and make adjustments as needed. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to share your game with others and ask for feedback. Constructive criticism can help you improve your game and make it more enjoyable for players. Celebrate your successes. Whether it's completing a small feature or launching your game, take time to celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your progress can keep you motivated and excited about your work. Analyze and iterate. After launching your game, pay attention to player feedback and analytics. Use this information to make improvements and updates. Continuous iteration can help you create a better gaming experience. Keep learning. Game development is an ever-evolving field. Stay curious and keep learning new skills and techniques. The more you learn, the better your games will become. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the journey. Game development is a creative and rewarding process. So have fun, stay passionate, and keep creating amazing games. Section 9. Keep creating and have fun. Congratulations, you're now a Roblox game developer. Remember, there's always something new to learn and create in the world of Roblox. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Who knows, maybe your game will become the next big hit on Roblox. Now go out there and make something awesome.